Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you my delicious fried rice recipe. And if you try this one, it's going to be your favorite fried rice. So give this video a thumbs up now and let's get started. I made this with a lot of ingredients like ground beef, chicken, shrimps, and vegetables. I don't like to use chicken breast. I prefer to use chicken thigh or the leg, and then I remove the skin and the bones to get the meat. Then cut that into small cubes. The chicken thighs or leg have more flavor than the breast. Making fried rice is super quick and very easy, but you have to prepare everything first before you start the cooking. Then remove the shells from the shrimps and clean well. Now this sauce we are going to mix is the secret of this recipe. In a bowl, I will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with a tablespoon of oyster sauce and a tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix these 3 ingredients well together and add a half tablespoon of sugar. Mix well and set aside. The last thing we are going to prepare is the eggs. So we are going to beat together 2 eggs. And then let's start the cooking. Heat a large pan and add a little bit of oil. Add the eggs and mix well. Once the eggs are cooked, remove and reserve. In the same pan, add some oil, and on the chicken, add the sauce mixture and mix. Then stir fry your chicken until brown and cooked. Add more sauce to enhance the flavor. If you are loving this recipe so far, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. When it's ready, remove and reserve that too. Let's add some more oil and cook our ground beef. Flavor with some of the sauce mixture. Cook well until the meat is brown. When ready, remove and reserve. I know guys that there is a lot of removing and reserving in this recipe, but trust me, this will make it so yummy. Let's brown our shrimp too. Cook the shrimp until done. Remove and reserve. You know, my African blood can't eat this without hot pepper, so I will add 2 hot peppers, which I'm going to slice. But if you don't like hot food, you can just remove this. It's optional. Tell me in the comment box below, do you love hot food or no? Let me know, please. So we are going to heat some oil in the same pan. Then add half of a sliced onion and 2 finely sliced garlic. Stir fry this well, but don't burn the garlic. Once you get a nice aroma, add the carrots and saute for just a minute. Then add the peas. I use canned peas. Don't overcook your vegetables. Cook just for a minute each. Add some green bell peppers and mix well. Then add the hot peppers if you like. And the last vegetable to add is some onion, cut into cubes. You can add red onion if you like, or white onions are also fine. Once all the vegetables are in the pan, now let's add some of our sauce mixture to add some flavor and combine well. It's time to add the rice. I used cooked Basmati rice, but you can use any type of long grain rice. It is best to cook the rice at least 3 hours before making this fried rice. That will help the rice to be completely dry before cooking. Don't add too much rice, else you will not taste the vegetables and meat. I use around 2 cups of rice for this recipe. Mix everything well together. Then add the cooked ground beef and mix. Add in the cooked chicken. This rice will be so good, guys, that if you have guests, they will ask for more. Add in the shrimp and mix well. Now let's add the eggs and combine everything together. It's time to add the sauce mixture. Add all the sauce in your rice and vegetable and mix this really well together. This last ingredient is optional, but I love to add it in. It's fresh basil leaf. I add it just to have some freshness to the dish. But you can also add green onion if you like. Mix everything well together and it's ready. Serve it with lime or lemon and enjoy. Guys, don't forget to rate this video before you go. Have a nice day. Bye.